Beautiful morning. It is 10 a.m. as you just seen. I am in class. I have a 9 a.m. It's currently, ignore that mess. Also, I have a 9 a.m. It's still going on. I have it until 12. It is a creative advertising thing, and he's just talking to other people about their projects, so I already talked to him about mine. But I'm going to vlog this weekend because it's going to be a productive weekend because I have lots of college work and I launched my website, so I have some orders to do for that, and then I also have college work to do. I just got some breakfast. I made some baked oats and put some Nutella on top. So I just changed into my hoodie and did my hair because now we have class from, let me just turn YouTube down, from 11 to 12. So that's what it is now. It's still the same class, but we just had a break there. So now we have class from 11 to 12. And then I'm done class for the week. This week was such a struggle because my Wi-Fi has been so slow, and I have unlimited data on my phone, and my hotspot just wasn't working either. I'm really excited for the weekend to have a break from not having to listen to broken up speech for hours at a time. It's 10:59, so I'm gonna log back into class now, and I will see you all after. Yes, and that's class done for the day, thank goodness. But we have another meeting at 3, but I have 3 hours. I haven't wrote my to-do list for today yet, so I'm going to do that now. I also wanted to show you my desktop and show you how I stay organized, and I'm also going to make a reel on it. I think I actually might do that now. So I just filmed that reel. So now that that's done, I'm going to go get some tea and then I'm gonna edit it. I've got my tea. Miraculously, while I was making my tea, the sun has made an appearance, so I may go take an Instagram picture. I'm going to watch some YouTube and scroll on Pinterest for some ideas for pictures, so I'm going to do that while I watch some YouTube. The sun is out, as you can see. The sky's not blue, but the sun is out. Okay, I'm ready. The sun has gone in, but we move. What are you gonna do? I'm just wearing this jacket from Zara, my crazy yoga leggings, a black thing, Ted Baker necklace, these like dangly diamond earrings that have pearls on it, my Pandora rings, and then I'm just wearing my Vans. Okay, let's go take pictures. Got all my photos. I hope some of them came out nice. I think some of them did. I had like a quick sneaky look, but I'm gonna go edit them now. I put my jumper back on because it is absolutely Baltic outside. I'm gonna transfer them over to my phone while I am getting dinner because there's curry on and I can smell it and it smells so good. So I have my meeting at 3. It's now 1:58, so time to eat some good food and dump all the pictures. Dinner has been ate. Also, if you can probably hear my heater in the background because I'm cold. I have some time before my group project meeting, so I'm going to edit the reel that I made earlier so I can get that up ASAP. Meeting is done. That went good. We just have a assignment that's due on Valentine's Day, or the day after Valentine's Day I think it got changed to. It's my dad's birthday tomorrow and we have to go and like order the cake, so we're going into town to do that. I got my dad some stuff for his birthday, and then we went to Tesco and it was absolutely jam-packed in there. It was just like crazy, like there were so many people in there. But yeah, now we're heading home because we got everything we need to, and there's nothing that we don't have anything else to do. I've been trying to work out like every day. I'm not working out tonight because my knees are really sore. I didn't work out yesterday either, but I'm going to do a nice like workout in the morning. Good morning. I am all dressed and ready for my workout, so I'm going to do that now, and then after workout I'm going to clean my room. That is a big mess over there. I will see you all when I have all of that done.
You caught my eye yesterday when we were walking down the street.
So as you can see, my room is nice and tidy and the sun has come out, which is just amazing. So that is definitely something that I'm very grateful for today. So I have my to-do list for today done. I'm going to start off by finish editing my reel because that's the easiest thing to do. I'm actually gonna go shopping because my mom and sister are going. We're going to Aldi and we're going to Dunn's.
Oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips are something from the devil.
It's been a hot minute. It's now like 9 o'clock and we sang happy birthday and had like cake and gave my dad all his presents and all that good stuff. I haven't really got anything done, but I might just, you know, cut the cameras here and pick this back up tomorrow morning. Good morning, I'm up and ready for the day. I have my bed dress, I am dressed, I have my makeup on, I have my computer on, my desk set up, and I'm ready to have a very productive Sunday. But first, let's go make breakfast. So I've got my breakfast. I made some baked oats, as you've seen. There's a new episode of WandaVision and I've been watching that and I really like it, but I'm gonna wait until later on to watch that, like when I'm finished everything, so that's like my little chill down tonight later on. So on today's to-do list, I have to do some party designs for one of my customers. I have to batch content create for the Boss Babe branding and I want to get 20 posts done, and then I have to go through my emails, obviously all that. It's kind of like an everyday thing. And then I have to do a college assignment. I want to get one finished fully today, and that's my full to-do list. Thing is done from my to-do list. It took me about an hour-ish, so I can tick that off the list. I'm going to do my emails next. So it's been about 10 minutes. I've gotten all my emails answered, so that is another one ticked off the list. Got some fuel to get ready for this assignment session. I just went outside for like literally 1 second just to like breathe in some fresh air, and it is absolutely Baltic. I literally stood there for like 1 second and I was like, nope. But I'm going to stick on like a YouTube video or something while I'm getting my college stuff all set up and ready to go and opening everything, just while I'm having my tea and setting everything up. So I got like half of that assignment done, and my mom and dad are actually going to go on like a drive to this, like, it's called St. Bridget's Shrine. It's like a holy thing, and I just said that I'd go with them to get out of the house, get some fresh air, and also stop looking at my screen for a while, just because I have been on all morning and I'm going to be on it until late tonight. So this is just a nice like midday break, because taking breaks is very productive. If you don't take breaks or rests, that is not being productive. Yeah, so when I come back, then I'll get back to doing the rest of my assignment. I actually got a really good chunk of it done there, but for now I'm gonna get my jacket, get my shoes, and go on a nice little small walk, get some fresh air, and take a break from the screen.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper.
We are home and I'm back at my desk. It was absolutely freezing out there. I'm warming up. I have my heater on, you can probably hear it because it's so cold, and I made a quick little dinner. So this is what I'm having. I'm gonna eat this while getting straight back into work, and hopefully within the next maybe hour and a half get my full assignment finished, the one that I was working on earlier. So I'll see you when I have my assignment finished. That assignment is done and dusted. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to take a quick break from just everything for about half an hour. It's now 6:30, and then get back into it at about 7, and hopefully I will work till about 10. I might go get a little bit of ice cream just while I'm sitting and watching something, and just not think about anything for half an hour. I've got my ice cream. I put it in a cute little heart bowl for Valentine's Day since it's coming up. I ate my ice cream. I watched an episode of Kimmy Schmidt, and now it's like 3 minutes to 7, so I'm going to get back on the grind. I'm gonna get some tunes going on Spotify, so I'm going to montage the rest of this because I do not want to get copyrighted.
You caught my eye yesterday when we were walking down the street.
I have gotten 15 posts done. If you remember, on my to-do list I had 20 posts, so I'm almost there and I've absolutely flown through them. I just need to do another 5 to hit my goal that was on my to-do list, but I think I'll just go ahead and start scheduling these ones and try and get all 20 of them scheduled. Anyways, I'll chat to you all when I have everything finished for tonight. I just stood up, my legs are so stiff. I am finished everything and now I'm ready for a quick little workout. Well, actually I'm more ready for bed, but I'm gonna do a quick workout, just get over it, done with. Hello, I'm just out of the shower. I'm going to go get some tea after I dry my hair, get a snack. I'm gonna get the show on the road because I want to get into bed ASAP and watch WandaVision. I just chucked my hair up in a bun. I have my tea. I have a salted caramel bar and I have some fingers, so I'll probably just have like a few of those. And I have WandaVision ready to go. That was a productive weekend in my life. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you all in the next one.